Meet Fred, Jasper, Forrest, Josie and Zach, the mischievous bundles currently rehabilitating in central Victoria. These little guys owe their lives to the team at RES, the statewide wildlife emergency rescue service which saved them.
We have a chance here now to do something in Victoria that's never happened before, is to have a headquarters where we can rehabilitate injured wildlife that come in.
Neil Morgan and the crew at RES travel the state retrieving animals who've come to grief, whether on roads, train tracks or in floods and bushfires. These two wedge-tailed eagles were rescued recently, suffering wing damage, leaving them unable to fly. The service, now in its second year of operation, fielded 7,000 calls nationwide in its first 12 months, and the demand is growing.
The information could be anything from what do I do, what's in my backyard, how do I handle this animal, what do I do with it, where do I take it.
While these Australian natives are cute, the job at hand for RES is serious.
To rehab one wedge-tailed eagle can cost you $400 in 3 weeks, and that's got to come out of someone's back pocket. I think there's a lot of businesses out there looking for someone to sponsor, to help out. You've got the perfect setup right here.
There isn't a job too big or small for our very own wildlife warrior, except maybe one furry little friend.
I have fears of possums.
Rebecca Glenn, Win News.